Although the full-size F-150 receives the majority of attention, Ford's extensive pickup lineup's Super Duty models are the real workhorses. The entry-level Super Duty pickup for 2024, the Ford F-250, recently underwent a complete redesign. Given that the 2024 model was only recently completely redesigned in 2018, we don't anticipate any significant changes. Two new engine choices are available for the 2024 F-250 generation, which is in line with the truck's focus on capability. The standard engine is a 6.8-liter V8 with 400 horsepower and 445 lb-ft of torque. For customers with even stricter requirements, Ford offers a 6.7-liter diesel V8 engine with 475 horsepower and 1050 lb-ft of torque. An automatic 10-speed gearbox is connected to each engine. The towing capacity can go up to 20,000 pounds. A Pro-Power onboard generator in bed. Mounted payload scales are additional job site amenities. The Ford F-250 Super Duty is rivaled by the Ram 2500 GMC Sierra 2500 HD and Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. The Ford outperforms its rivals thanks to its cutting-edge design and more powerful engine options. Before getting into this amazing video, please subscribe to our channel Top 4 Cars for more exciting content. Redesign. A contemporary and fresh look. The 2024 Ford F-250's exterior has been redesigned to exude strength and modernity. This truck commands attention on the road with its striking contours, powerful fenders, and prominent grille. Modern LED technology is used in the redesigned headlamps and taillights to improve visibility and give them a distinctive look. In order to increase fuel efficiency while maintaining the truck's tough appearance, Ford has given aerodynamics top priority. Interior renovation, comfort, and innovation. The updated Ford F-250's interior combines modern conveniences with comfort. The use of high-quality materials and expert craftsmanship gives the cabin its refined, practical, and welcoming appearance. Legroom is ample thanks to the roomy seating, which makes even long trips comfortable. An intuitive infotainment system with the newest connectivity features and an intuitive interface is featured on the redesigned dashboard. Unmatched engine options for power and performance. The 2024 Ford F-250 has excellent propulsion capability. To meet a range of needs, Ford provides a selection of powerful engine options. A strong V8 engine that offers exceptional torque and towing capacity is standard equipment on the base model. For those looking for even more power, the optional turbocharged V8 engine delivers thrilling performance both on and off the road. Ford's commitment to superior engineering ensures that the 2024 F-250 gives you the power you require when you need it. Exterior improvements. Combining form and function. The exterior improvements to the 2024 Ford F-250 go beyond aesthetics to boost functionality. The truck bed's integrated storage spaces and tie-down points make it easy to secure cargo, and it was designed with versatility in mind. Additionally, the tonneau cover and bedliner options offer more convenience and security. Even when carrying heavy loads, the newly designed tailgate step and handhold make it simple to access the bed. Pricing and release date, making it accessible. Ford understands the value of affordability, so the 2024 F-250 is reasonably priced. Ford intends to offer a range of options and specification levels to suit a range of budgets, though exact pricing details have not yet been disclosed. The 2024 Ford F-250 is anticipated to hit dealerships in the spring of 2024, providing excitement for auto enthusiasts. The 2024 Ford F-250 is positioned to be the segment's undisputed powerhouse. Its redesign gives it a modern, fresh look, and its interior is innovative and comfortable. Every need can be met by a suitable powertrain thanks to the variety of engine choices, and the exterior upgrades enhance both form and functionality. The 2024 F-250 will be noticed on and off the road thanks to its assortment of standout colors and anticipated affordable pricing. This amazing truck will be offered for sale in 2024.